Welcome to las recetas de Laura. Today we're gonna make a creamy jalapeno tuna casserole that is super easy to prepare. 10 minutes. This is gonna be ready to go into the oven for another 15 minutes and dinner ready, amigas. Are you ready to cook? Delicioso? I'm gonna be cooking for 4 persons. It's gonna be a normal slice of this tuna casserole for 4 persons. If you are 2 adults who eat a lot more, probably it's only for 2. Okay, so we're gonna start draining our tuna cans. I prefer to buy water tuna cans. Okay, so let's open it. Let's start with this amazing salsa. We're gonna make it low fat. It's gonna be very delicious. Instead of Mexican cream, we're gonna be using Greek yogurt, which is gonna be more nutritious and less calories. So first of all, we need to toast our jalapenos. So bring over 2 jalapenos, 2 garlic cloves, and a small piece of onion. In a napkin, I'm gonna pour a little olive oil in here. And I'm just gonna kind of bath my jalapenos, my garlic and onion with the olive oil, and I'm gonna place it in this kind of parrilla that we call it comal. It's gonna take about probably 3 minutes on each side. Just kind of turn them over every side, press them until you get this brown skin and that you can tell that the skin is ready to go off like this. So now that our jalapenos are ready, we're just gonna cut the little tails and we're gonna place the ingredients in a few minutes, just all of them in the blender. So look at the garlic cloves. They smell good. So I have some Greek yogurt over here. You're gonna need about 5 spoons of Greek yogurt, and it also depends how creamy you would like it. I give you my recipe, but you can always transform yours. And I love Greek yogurt because it really gives you that creamy texture and even kind of this sour flavor of the Mexican cream without all the calories and actually adding more protein and more nutritions to it can become more nutritious. So 2, 3, like very well, 4, and I'm just getting rid of all of these. 5 tablespoons, 1 spoon of mayo, and this is optional. I'm gonna add 2 spoons of cream cheese. So get rid of the tail of the jalapeno, and I'm gonna teach you a secret. If you don't want it to be that spicy, the secret are the seeds. So you can get rid of the seeds, all of them, and that's gonna make it less spicy, okay? And also you can tell how spicy is your jalapeno because of the smell. If they are way too spicy, you're gonna feel it in your nose right away. Okay, so mine are not that spicy. I'm just gonna take off the seeds. We place our jalapenos, our piece of onion, that is just a small piece of onion. This might be like 3 spoons of onion, and our 2 garlic cloves. Everything in the blender. I won't add salt because I feel like canned tuna is already way too salty. So I'm gonna taste. If I feel like it needs, or if you feel like it needs, just add a little bit. Let's blend all this together until it's a smoothie and a delicious crema de jalapeno, amigos. This is ready and it smells amazing. Look at this beautiful green color verde. Now we're gonna pour it with our tuna, just like this. And we are gonna mix it all together so the tuna can absorb all these delicious flavors. In your container, just spread a little bit of olive oil, spread it all around, and this is gonna help you kind of toast a little bit the bread when it is in the oven, and it gets just a beautiful texture. And what about the flavor? Delicioso. So let's place our bread in here. Just cut another slices just to cover it all. This is the texture that you're gonna have on your tuna. It's not gonna be that liquid, it's a little thick, and we're gonna place it on top of the bread like this. Before you place it, Just taste. If it needs a little more salt, just add it. As I told you, I don't like to add salt to this kind of canned tuna. I just feel that it's already too salty. And we are gonna spread now some melting cheese. I'm using Chihuahua cheese because I'm from Chihuahua, Mexico, but you can use any kind of melting cheese, okay? You can make mozzarella, jack, cheddar, whatever you prefer. And this is ready to go into the oven. 360 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or 180 grados durante 15 minutos. This is extremely delicious. You're gonna love it. I just find it wonderful. Mine didn't need any extra salt. I didn't add any. If you are not used to spicy food, picoso, just add one jalapeno, but all the flavor of the jalapeno, like smoky flavor, is in there. Super easy to make, cold or hot. I hope you enjoy it. Recuerda, remember, mi casa es tu casa and I cook for you and with you every week here at Las Recetas de Laura. Look for me on Instagram at Las Recetas de Laura, on TikTok, everywhere I'm around giving you daily inspiration for delicious and healthy Mexican food. Adiós amigos, besos a todos.